let's talk tree maps. So this is an example of a tree map. How I got here is when I open up a chart, I go to Edit and Analyzer. If you go to Chart Types right here in the top, if you go to Pie and Funnel, it is right there for tree map. So what is the point of a tree map? Well, look at this. I put in my value, right? Well, I put in my item name and then a value. Pretty easy, and there we go, right? And you could totally put in color values to make things green or red or whatever you want to do. What a tree map is very good for, it's very good at showing you kind of market share. So let's say we have total spend and we want to actually break this down by country. I'm going to put country instead of item name, instead of portfolio company. And here is how you can see things a little bit differently by area. So now we can say, oh, United States pops out, boom, for a big spend right here. You could do it this way. This is very good for like stocks, name those companies. Imagine you have different portfolio companies. You could do it this way, where it's right here. I do find this a little bit hard to understand and a little bit hard to get the insights right away. If anything, this tells me that the United States is pretty big compared to, like, I don't know, some of these other countries, but it doesn't tell me really by how much. You could totally put that in there, but I think there are better charts that are available, such as horizontal bar charts or other things there. But here's how to use a tree map. It's very colorful, very engaging, very fun. Hey, and you thought that was cool? I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo, and I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10-minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition, at this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World. And it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial, and I hope it helps you.